Verbs and actions. Run. Jump. Sit down. Sleep. Relax. Walk. Stand up. Drink. Read. Write. Eat. Paint. Sing. Clap. Draw. Dance. Play. Point. Speak. Answer. Call. Whisper. Shout. Listen. Push. Throw. Kick. Touch. Pull. Catch. Hit. Pick. Carry. Wash. Clean. Cut. Cut. Break. Fix. Build. Make. Use. Wear. Drive. Fly. Ride. Swim. Dive. Climb. Fall. Stop. Think. Rest. Enjoy. Admire. Trust. Plant. Shop. Harvest. Serve. Feed. Swing. Apologize. Grow. Raise. Hunt. Chase. Spin. Escape. Discover. Wake up. Boil. Comb. Undress. Brush. Unpack. Deliver. Pack. Buy. Taste. Order. Chew. Spread. Slice. Peel. Pour. Present. Note. Arrange. Collect. Dress. March. Step. Film. Record. Post. Respect. Text. Forgive. Bite. Spill. Fill. Shake. Toast. Nibble. Sip. Slurp. Munch. Gobble. Grill. Roast. Steam. mix, stir, add, measure, chop, season, share, prepare, hold, pick up, taste test, heat, drizzle, flavor, sprinkle, whisk, mash, marinate, flip, beat, knead, roll, decorate, garnish, turn on, turn off, put on, take off, put down, look for, look at, look up, look after, look forward to, give up, make up, take care of, find out, come back, go out, go in, go away, come in, run out of, come out, throw away, put away, clean up, grow up, set up, turn down, break down, break up, turn up, calm down, get over, hurry up, carry on, get along with, hang out, pay back, write down, fill in, cut down on, hang up, work out, take out, call back, check in, check out, bring up, come across, cut off, figure out, give back, deal with, drop off, go over, hold on, join in, keep on, look out, set off, show up, take over, try on, turn around, put off,